By integrating robot arm, visual recognition, and 3D systems, Inspur developed the medicine vending machine has significantly improved the convenience, accuracy, and safety of medicine purchase service while solving the problem of 24-hour medicine collection. Goose L has two sizes of 25mm and 35mm. Each single L can be flexibly combined into a new Goose L, matching with various wise medicine boxes. The whole cabinet can accommodate 3 times the variety of medicine comparing with the traditional models. This product features, firstly, intelligent control and response, secondly, high stability, third, high applicability. By adopting dynamic visual recognition algorithm, multiple kinds of medicine boxes can be recognized simultaneously. The robot arm can pass the doctor's order information on each designated medicine box, then stack it neatly and ready for pickup. Inspur medicine vending machine mainly supports 3 functions, which is video telemedicine, medicine selection, medicine delivery. Firstly, you can choose video telemedicine service in case you need to contact with doctor for online consulting service. You can choose and confirm the medicine from the purchase list according to the prescription. Once the payment being done, the medicine will be delivered to the verification zone through the dedicated good track. The robot arm will take the printed prescription tips and pass the label on one side of each single medicine box. After that, the medicine will be stacked neatly and shipped out for pickup. Secondly, you can choose the medicine delivery service directly in case you already have the doctor prescription and the medicine purchase list. The medicine will be shipped out after the payment. Thirdly, you can also select the OTC medicine directly from the online shopping list. The medicine will be shipped out for pickup after the payment being done. This system also supports medicine recycle function. The medicine will be returned to the recycle box once it failed the delivery or the customer forgot to pick up in time. Inspur medicine vending machine will be deployed in pharmacy, hospital, clinic, communities, and other public areas, which can provide 24-hour service that would be very convenient for the citizens.